Did you know your brain gets more excited by maybe getting something than actually getting it? Here's why you can't stop checking your phone for likes. Your brain releases dopamine when it expects a reward. But here's the weird part. The more uncertain the reward, the more dopamine fires. When scientists studied this, they found something shocking. Dopamine neurons go crazy when there's a 50% chance of getting something good. But when the reward becomes predictable, dopamine drops to almost nothing. This is why slot machines are so addictive. It's not about winning money. It's about that moment before you know if you won. Your brain evolved this way because uncertain food sources needed more attention than guaranteed ones. The ancestor who got excited about maybe finding berries survived better than the one who ignored possibilities. But now the same system makes you addicted to dating apps, social media, and gambling. That rush you feel waiting to see if someone liked your post? That's 50,000 years of evolution hijacking your reward system. Your brain literally cares more about the chase than the catch.